Although it's the first time I met you, I feel like kissing with you. Just tell me that you love me, cause I'm in love with you. And this must be true love. Tell me that you love me, cause I'm in love with you. Oftentimes you told me you will love no one but me. Though it's the first time I met you, I feel like kissing with you. This must be true love. That you love me, cause I'm in love with you. Oftentimes you told me you will love no one but me. Just when you feel like kissing, I feel like kissing with you. And this must be true love. This must be true love.
Hey girl, I'm going away, but I'm not gonna stay. I'm gonna be back one day. So save your loving for me. Save your loving for me, baby. Save your loving for me. Save your loving for me. Whether I'm gone over the ocean or I'm gone over the sea, just be thinking, girl, be thinking of me. Don't ever give your love to another man. Remember where we started, where we're coming from. Just save your loving for me. Just save it all for me. Boy, you're it. Save your loving for me. Baby, save it all for me. I was the one who used to help you about when you were down and out. I was the one who take you to the show. The first time you know, well, I'm going to the land. I'm gonna set a plan. And while I'm gone, I wanna keep my loving warm. I save you all for me. Boy, you're it. I save you all for me. Baby, I save your loving for me. Alright, I save you all for me. I was the one who used to help you out when you was down and out. I used to take you anywhere you wanna go. Oh baby, all for me. Boy, you're all for me. All for me. Whether I'm gone over the ocean or I'm gone over the sea, just be thinking, girl, be thinking down and out. I used to take you anywhere you wanna go. Oh girl, save it, keep it, don't flash it, don't dash it. Oh no, boy, just save it all for me, baby. Save your loving for me, boy, save it all for me, darling.
I don't know what this girl thinking. She wants an elderly man. I don't run her still because she's thinking about the dollar bill. Come now.
I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age. Don't know what it is, but it's a hit from my youthful days. As I go my way, I don't care what people say. I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age.
Come now. I go chubby, chubby. I go chubby, she don't wanna. I go chubby, chubby. I go chubby. She want a man we can block out the royalty. The I go chubby, you know say in that money. She don't wanna love us honey. She want the money, she don't wanna love us honey. She want the money.
When I tell you girls in my youthful days, I never loved another man my age. And then the Don, he came along, made me smile all the while. He stood tall and strong, so strong, so strong.
Young man have strength, but that is nonsense. She want a man to let her recompense too. She want pay light bill and rent, and you know you have to have a think dividend, and down the line your pocket have to have length, and make sure say that your dollars are full of strength.
Stood up for me when no one cared. Stood up for me where other men wouldn't dare. Made me know a true man's love. Never made me feel he's old. Never gave me love that's cold. You had better watch your food. Old men will dip into your
Don't she want a
plate.
old man, me not go say that she wrong. Cause she a deal with a foundation. The young man no go mash up a plan. And she want some dollars in her
I'm
hand.
in love with a man nearly twice my age. Don't know what it is, but it's a hit from my youthful days. As I go my way, I don't care what people say. I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age.
She don't want no I go chubby, chubby. I go chubby, she don't want no I go chubby, chubby. I go chubby, she not love us honey. What she want is money, she not love us honey. What she want is money. The woman is dealing with maturity. That's why she not go take nothing under 30, 35 and 40, 45 and 50, 55 and 60. The woman want money.
Girls, this is my advice to you. A man that age has good experience. He'll treat you good, he'll treat you well. He may make you rich and proud, so you won't have to bow, won't have to bow.
Young man have strength, but that is nonsense. She want a man to let her recompense. No, she want pay line bill and rent, and make sure say that your pocket is have length, and your collaterals are full up of strength. I go chubby, chubby. I go chubby, she not love us honey. What she want is money, she not love us honey. What she want is money.
I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age. Don't know what it is, but it's a hit from my youthful days. As I go my way, I don't care what people say. I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age. I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age. Don't know what it is, but it's a hit from my youthful
Hear them say, dreadlocks can't live in a tenement. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much too much watchy. Too much too much watchy, ah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much too much watchy. Too much too much watchy, ah. Dreadlocks can't live in privacy. Anything him do, all nigga see. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much Dreadlocks can smoke and pipe in peace. Too much informers and too much bees. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much Dreadlocks can live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Skip, Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. Too much watchy, too much watchy. Dreadlocks can't penetrate the rain, man. All him a do is sell Jaja land. Too much watchy, too much can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can't lick him pipe in peace. Too much informers and too much BS. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much can't agitate in a tenement yard. Can't agitate in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can lick him pipe in peace. Too much Babylon and too much love. Too much I boogie the bar. Too much informer.
see a lot of concrete where green used to be. Come down, Jah, come down, I pray. You won't believe all the things you'll see today. Come down, Father, and look at common man. His illness, disease unto the land. Come down, Jah, come down, I pray. You won't believe all the things you'll see today. Come down, Father, oh, come down, my Lord. Won't you help me clean the land of the fire and the fall? Come down, Jah, oh, come and see the sight. Big cities and electric lights. Little children haven't had a ride. Come on, Father, and tell me, do you think this is right? Come down, Lord. Come down, Lord. Come down, yes. Come down, Father, and look at modern man. You and cancer created by your hand. Come down, Jah, come down, I pray. You won't believe all the things you'll see today. Come down, Father, and look at what you see. A lot of concrete where green used to be. Come down, Jah, come down, I pray. You won't believe all the things you'll see today. Come down, Father, oh, come down, my Lord. Won't you help me clean the land of the fire and the fall? Come down, Jah, oh, come and see the sight. Big cities and electric lights. Little children haven't had a ride. Come the Father and tell me, do you think this is right? Come down, Father, oh, come and see the sight. Big cities and electric lights. Little children haven't had a ride. Come the Father and tell me, do you think this is right? Come the Father and tell me, do you think this is right? Come the Father and tell me, do you think this is right? Come the Father and tell me, do you think this is right? Do you think this is right? Right? Children have that right. Oh my God. Come down, Father. Father, come down. Please. Come down, Father, please. Father, please. Tell me now, do you think this is right? Do you think this is right? Father, please. Tell me now. Whoa. Do you think this is right? Do you think this? Do you think this is right? Do you think this is right?
children, little babies to feed. Oh, Jah, we're always in need. Show us the light to do everything that's right. Help us to fight when the brothers, they're out of sight. So, Jah, let the sisters walk with thee. Jah, let us communicate with thee. In these times, this trouble we see, temptation, frustration, desolation, is a haunting our key. Temptation, frustration, desolation, is a haunting our key. In these times there's evil. We know it's the time to separate the wheat from the weaver. Hear us, God, when we call, 'cause if we slip, we might fall. So listen, Jah, let the sisters walk with thee. Jah, let us communicate with thee. Lord, in these times, this trouble we see, temptation, frustration, desolation, is a haunting our key. Temptation, frustration, desolation, is a haunting our key. Little children, little babies to feed. Oh, Jah, we're always in need. Show us the light to do everything that's right. Oh, Jah, help the sisters to fight. Temptation, frustration, desolation, damnation's haunting our key. Temptation, desolation, frustration, vibrations haunting our key. Temptation, desolation, frustration, damnation's haunting our
Grew up from the dry ground in a land with varied beliefs. To the people, this was a picture of a kind-hearted man who stood up for what he knew was right. Tough was a battle which he had to fight, but it was nothing at all to keep him counting sheep at night. There was a man of sorrows, acquainted with grief. This man of sorrows makes children of joy. So they nailed him down in broad daylight for the people of the world around to see that no little is the price when you do what your heart tells. They nailed him down in broad daylight for the people of the world around to see that no little is the price when you do what your heart tells you. And it was the man of sorrows, acquainted with grief. This man of sorrows makes children of joy. That was the man of sorrows, acquainted with grief. This man of sorrows makes children of joy. Children, yeah. Man of sorrows, acquainted with grief. Yeah, this man of sorrows makes children of joy. Children sing along. Man of sorrows, acquainted with grief. Yeah, this man of sorrows makes children of joy.
Oh, now, night and day so serious. Got to watch your move. Day and night so serious. Gets to the best of us. Night and day so dangerous. It makes me so nervous. These are some very trying times. Oh, now. Gets on your nerve and mess up your mind. All that you need is common sense. Oh yes. Don't try to live by false pretense. Cause a one wrong move you might lose your shoes. Don't you make it too. I look where you walk and watch how you talk. Mind your P's and Q's. Day and night so serious. It's for the best of us. Night and day so dangerous. Makes me so nervous. Out on the street it's no easy feat. Oh yeah. Plenty of food but nothing to eat. Oh yeah. But after the storm there must be a calm. Yeah now. So wise up youth man and don't be alarmed. Whoa. Though two ends may be hard to meet, stand on your own 2 feet. Observe the day, penetrate the night, but always do what's right. Yeah. Day and night so serious. Gets to the best of us. Night and day so dangerous. Makes me so nervous. Daily the weak find it hard to survive. Not even the strong is sure of the night. Yeah. See how the morning sun just shines. Yeah. Freely at night the moon gives up light. Yeah. Those who can live the life they choose. Those who can't get abused. Think fast but control your thoughts. That will see you through. Yeah. Day and night so serious. Gets to the best of us. Night and day so dangerous. Makes me so nervous. Yeah. These are some very trying times. Gets on your nerve and mess up your mind. Yeah. All that you need is common sense. Yeah, now. Don't try to live by false pretense. Cause a one wrong move you might lose
makes me so nervous.
I want love now. We are spreading it now. We pray to God every night before bed tonight. Yeah, King Selassie always. You hear me? A steel pulse in concert.
Arise and let all his enemy be scattered. As smoke is driven away, so drive them away, O Jah, as wax melt in front of fire. So let the wicked perish at the presence of Jah, but let the righteous be glad and be exceedingly glad. Sing praises unto his name, Jah. Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure.
Thank you.